What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, just pulling up at this job site. I thought about something, and I just wanted to make a comment on it. I have noticed that in this life, you will have people who actually going through things that they brought on themselves, and they will look at someone that they know or someone that they grew up with or whatnot, or somebody, family member, and they feel like that person's supposed to save them from that situation. But the person that they looking at did not create that situation. We didn't put you there. You see what I'm saying? Now, I don't have no problem with assisting, but don't demand something like, it's my fault you in a fucked up situation. It's not my fault. I would like to help you, but I'm not going to jeopardize my household and what I got going on to help you if I'm not where I need to be at. I'm sorry. You on your own. You know what I mean? Because one thing I learned, in order for me to help you, I got to help me first. And I got to help me first to the point where I'm not in the need. So I won't get in a bind and need something, because I know I have no one to depend on besides me and my wife. That's it. Everybody else is just, oh yeah, you can call me, but it is what it is. I know I got me and my wife. I know she'll ride. That's all I got. I know she'll ride or die with me. You see what I'm saying? So I got to make sure the household is straight. I got to make sure the kids are straight. You know what I mean? And even the grandbabies, I look out for them. So in order for me to feel bad about your situation or even want to help you, I'm going to say it like that, I got to have me completely together. Now, if I can give you some advice, if we can talk about this, let's talk about it, see what we can do. We might can work out somewhere, we can get some money to fix this situation. But don't come to the person who didn't create the situation and get mad at them and cause drama on their life because they refuse to help you because they're not where they need to be at and they didn't create the situation you in. Come on, man. We got to do better. Hold on.